How to fix Roblox Error Code 277. To fix this error, first of all, try clearing your devices or your application's cache and app data. You simply have to go ahead and launch your device's setting application, then tap on the search bar, then type application or simply type app. From here, access the app info panel. You should be able to find the Roblox application over here, or simply tap on this search button on the top to find it instantly. Once you find the application, you simply have to tap on it. From here, scroll downwards to the storage section, then proceed to clear the cache. And if this does not resolve your issue, also once again try to clear the data itself. Now, you might also want to switch your connection mode. If you have a weaker Wi-Fi connection, try switching to mobile data. And also, what you can do is simply enable your mobile device's flight mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off to completely refresh your cellular modem connection. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.